Hi, in this video, we'll be looking at addition and subtraction of polynomials. In my previous video, I explained what polynomials are and I gave examples as well. So we know what is addition, we know what is subtraction. Since you're primary school, since we're in lower class, you did addition and subtraction, is no big deal. So, but now we would like to add and subtract polynomials. Recall that we said that polynomials are simply algebraic what expression whose the the exponents of the variables are non-negative. They must be positive and they are not fractions as well. Do you understand? So I'll be looking at addition. Let's make this video to be very fast. So if I have a polynomial seen as p1 of x and it is given by x squared plus 2x minus 4. Now, do you understand what I mean by p1 of x? Listen up. This p1 in bracket x is read as p1 of x. Very good. P1 as in represents the polynomial itself. Do you understand? P1 represents the polynomial itself. Then x tells you that the variable, that's the unknown you are having in the polynomial, is x. Then if you combine this thing, P1 of x is the value of the polynomial P1. Does it make sense? Is the value of the polynomial P1 when x is given a specific value. Sometimes they can ask you what would now be P1 of 1. It means that 1 has replaced x. So P1 of 1 is equals to x has become 1 squared plus 2 times 1 minus 4. I hope you understand. So, and if I have that P1 of x is given by this algebraic as an expression, and I have that P2 of x is given by 4 squared plus 3x minus 8. Does it make sense? They can ask you to find the value of P1 of x plus P2 of x. Does it make sense? This is very simple. P1 of x, we already know it. P2 of x, let's solve it together. So then I have the answer now P1 of x, that's x squared plus 2x minus 4. Then plus what? P2 of x, which is what? 4x squared plus 3x minus 8. I would have put this in brackets, but do you know why I left it? Because what the operation I'm having before them is plus. Even if I put it in bracket, plus will not affect anything. But had it been I'm having minus, I would have put everything because minus would definitely affect each and every one of the signs. Does it make sense? So I have x squared. What I do here, this is mere addition. This rearrange p1 of x. This is p1 of x plus what? P2 of x. And it is given by this. P1 of x is this plus P2 of x. Very simple. Rearrange the like terms. So x squared plus 4x squared will definitely give me 5x squared, right? Plus 2x plus 3x will definitely give me plus what? 5x. Does it make sense? Minus 4 minus 8 will definitely give me minus 12. And this is the answer. P1 of x plus P2 of x. Very simple. Does it make sense? They can equally ask you to give them the value of P1 of x minus P2 of what? X. Now, this is subtraction. It is still very simple. Addition and subtraction are very simple. What you know is just as in detect those ones that are like terms. Do you understand? So, P1 of x minus P2 of x. P1 of x is given by x squared plus 2x minus 4. Then minus P2 of x. Do you see? When I have minus, P2 of x is given by what? 4x squared plus 3x minus 8. Now, do you see what I did here? Because I'm having minus. For you to be very good in mathematics, you must respect minus as if it is your parents or any of your parents or even your grandparents. So you must give much respect to minus for you to excel. But you can deal with plus anyhow, it will not affect you. But this minus, I must respect it. Now I'm having minus, whatever that will come in will be in bracket because minus will affect each and every one of the signs, or else I will prepare to fail. So this would definitely be x squared plus 2x minus 4. So minus times plus 4x squared will be minus 4x squared minus, this actually minus 1. That's the number closer. I'm opening the bracket. Minus 1 times plus 4x squared is minus 4x squared. Minus 1 times plus 3x is minus 3x. Then minus 1 times minus 8. The answer is plus 8. So the P1 of x minus P2 of x squared minus, I'll take the ones that are like terms. X squared minus 3x squared is minus 3x squared. Does it make sense? Plus 2x minus 3x will definitely be minus x. Minus 4 plus 8 will definitely be plus 4. So this is the value of what? P1 of x minus P2 of x. And that's the answer. So under addition and subtraction of polynomial, I don't see it as a much work. The main work, even the multiplication is very simple. The main work lies on the division, and I'm still getting to there. So you have to follow Courses Academy for you to see all this process.